Imagine a bustling city like New York where life moves at a rapid pace. In the heart of this urban jungle, healthcare providers are working tirelessly to keep New Yorkers healthy, but they face a silent epidemic: no-shows. No-shows happen when patients miss their appointments without canceling. This is a big problem for everyone. Doctors and nurses waste valuable time waiting for patients who don't show up. Think of it like this: a doctor reserves an hour to see you. If you don't come and don't tell anyone, that's an hour wasted. That hour could have been used to help someone else. This is happening all over New York City, in big hospitals and small clinics. We need to fix this problem. No-shows aren't just about wasted time, they cost money too. A lot of money. Every missed appointment means lost revenue for the practice. This makes it harder for them to keep their doors open and help people. But it's more than just money. When a patient misses an appointment, it can delay their treatment. This can lead to more serious health problems down the road. We all need to take our health seriously and show up for our appointments. Think about it. You make an appointment to see a doctor because you need help. But if you don't show up, you're only hurting yourself. It's time to take control of our health and be responsible patients. Luckily, there's a simple solution: automated calls and SMS. These are pre-recorded messages that remind patients about their appointments. These calls can be dialed along with a text reminder. These notifications can be made a day or two before the appointment, giving patients time to reschedule if needed. Think of it like this: it's like having a personal assistant who reminds you about your appointments. This helps patients remember and reduces the chance of them forgetting. And guess what? It works! Automated calls are changing the game for healthcare providers. They're affordable, easy to use, and they get results. It's like having a secret weapon to fight no-shows. Setting up an automated calling system is easier than you think. You don't need to be a tech whiz to make it work. Here's how simple it is. 1. Choose a provider. We recommend visiting hipaa.robotalker.com. There are many companies that offer automated calling services, but thousands of healthcare practitioners choose RoboTalker because it is easy to use, reliable, and cost-effective. 2. Record your message. You can personalize the message to sound friendly and welcoming. 3. Upload your patient list. This is as easy as uploading a simple file. 4. Schedule your calls and text blasts. You decide when you want the calls to go out. That's it. It's that easy to start reducing no-shows and improving your practice's efficiency. Get started today at hipaa.robotalker.com.